Hello and welcome. It's Bears back again with a Sesamee 521 Steel Series padlock. It's a lot, here I'll let you see that. It's a lot like their aluminum lockout tag out padlock. It's got the interchangeable core. That's the bitting on this one. 5-pin. So let's get to picking this bad boy. Sorry, I didn't mean to get it out of frame. I broke out pick. I think Bobby Keys made this. It's in that package I won from Bill Bacardi. Just touched number one. I got a click. Got a little second click out of him. Number 3, number 4. Got clicks on them. Click on 5. Another little click on 4. Nothing on 3. Little click on 2. I don't think I got anything on 1 here. Oh, I just got a heck of a click out of 1. Nothing on 2. Feels solid on 3. Solid on 4. Feels solid on 5. See if there's anything binding up here. Is that? Ooh. I got it. That's an open. All right, we'll take that. Shoot. Yeah, that was number 3. It gave me a little kickback on it, and pow, it's open. I can't see that very well. I think that's a screw down in there. Yep, feels like it's on there. Phillips head. Ooh, here we go. Yeah, just like the rest. Let's move some of this out of the way. Get this over here and see what we got here. Oh, got a nice one. Sweet. Well, we're open right now. I'm going to avoid everything of messing up. I'm going to go ahead and give that the old lock up. Let me get my hands in the right positions here. All right. Okay, well, let's see if we can get this one to make it just. Uh-oh, I'm underneath it. Dang. Not what I want to do. Wow. What is going on? Oh. It would help if I wasn't blind as a bat. Dang, come on around. Oh, it just moves so easy there. Now let's see if we can bind you in there. I know you're all going, boy, I wish I was there to help you. Now bind in there. Thank you. Yay. Another filling. Got a little turn. Ooh, nice. Okay. Yep. Goes all right there. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hey, look. Looks like serrations at the top on all those. Oh, grabbed the wrong thing. Doing good. Doing real good. Well, let's get the first one out. Come on, number 2. Well, you just stay over there then. Shit, we didn't want you over here with us anyway. Gonna be antisocial like that. That's them. Woo. Yeah, just take off up there. Well, let's move them. Okay. That worked. Well, it looks like we got spools in the 3, 4, and 5. And let me get shadows here. I want to get the shadows. Yeah, we got serrated on 1, 3, and 4 on the bottom, and we got, looks like an anti-drill. I don't know, is that steel? Sorry about that. Nope. It's just a, looks like a standard to me. 2 standards and then 3 spools. That's what it looks like. So, well, that's it for the Sesamee 521. Man, I love this pick. I just really love this pick. Thank you so much, Bill. And everyone else, thank you for watching. Stay legal and have fun, guys. Thanks for watching.